Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, not to state the obvious, but just to establish some context here, very, very impressive movement. I mean, you stop thinking about the fact that during that opening 30 minutes, the price was all the way down there, yet was able to bounce back all the way up to there. Any rational person would say, yeah, that was actually very impressive. But that does lead to the valid question now, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that is down here at 725. Now, why is 725 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but let's say the price were to come down to 725, behave in that manner, and then continue on down. What would you have at that point? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, though, I mean, no price can just go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. In that situation, if that were to happen, what would you now all of a sudden have? Well, you'd have a much different situation and a very good situation. You would have a set of lows right there. You'd have these sets of lows down there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now all of a sudden you'd have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to show signs of progress, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as 725. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, main battleground to watch very closely is all about that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. I mean, if you go through the history of things, crazy how often the price has been up around that purple line and has not been able to push through it. So that'll definitely be by far public enemy number one. Current value of that purple line right there at $9.60. But all in all, crazy bounce today. Let's see if the price can continue to build upon it moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.